We've got a vintage Singer Genie, model 353. It's got a retro flower power, I guess, design on it. Serial number is 343-61012, and these were from the 1970s. It's a zigzag machine, and I'm going to show you basically doing some stitch, and we'll run through a couple of patterns. It's got a multi-stitch, blind stitch, and zigzag. So we have our stitch length here. Got to turn it on. Auto reversing. It also has 3 positions on the needle, and I'm not sure if you can see it moving. And now we're going to go through some of the zigzagging and so forth. We'll set our stitch back a little bit. This will be zigzagging first. Next we will set the blind stitching. And next, multi-stitch. There you have it. Cool little machine. I think I had to adjust the loosen up the tensioning a little bit on the zigzag, but there you go.